In this video, I'm going to try to remove this paint from my front bumper. I scraped it against my garage door the other day and it left some white paint on there. I scraped most of it off with my finger, but I'm going to use a Magic Eraser and WD40 if I need to. It's some trick I learned online. We'll see if it actually works. First things first though, you want to make sure it's clean so you're not just rubbing a bunch of dirt in there. So you need to wash it off. Some soapy water. I'm going to wet this Magic Eraser and wring it out. Let's see if it takes any of this paint off. Looks like it is taking the white paint off. So I'm going to use a little WD-40. I'm going to take this and spray this on just lightly. I don't really know what it's going to do. So that seemed like it worked. It seemed like it got most of the white paint off. You know, there's some black scratches that I can fill in with a touch-up pen. But for the most part, it did get rid of all the white paint at least. So if you have any other better ideas of how to get paint off of a car, put it in the comment section below, and I appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.